The FDA took a major first step in helping people who suffer from seizures. News Channel 6's Renetta Dubose joining us now live in the studio to tell us about a local clinical trial.
Brad, almost 50 children with epilepsy in Georgia spent the past 2 years taking small drops of a new drug by mouth. With improvements in their seizures, an FDA advisory committee gave the green light for the first pharmaceutical form of plant-based treatment.
Awesome. Totally awesome.
Just 3 words for this mother meeting her child for the first time. At 10 years old, Preston finally has personality.
This child's been in here all along, but he just couldn't get out, you know? With his brain seizing nonstop, he couldn't get out. And now, you know, his brain's slowed down enough, the seizures have slowed down enough that he's actually able to express himself.
Preston smiles. He also cries and yells. His mom, Valerie McCormick, tells us a clinical trial Preston started 2.5 years ago is what helped. They are one of 46 families participating in Augusta University's cannabidiol oil trial for people with epilepsy. Now, that oral medicine is closer to helping more people after a Food and Drug Administration Advisory Committee recently recommended approval of the first prescription drug for Epidiolex.
I was told it's mid-June, just as I was told several months ago.
Dr. Young Park led the trial and tells News Channel 6 majority of the people taking the drug have seen a reduction in seizures. He also says it has proven to be safe.
I couldn't even begin to count how many he used to have. Like, I would lose count at 30, 40, 50 a day. I can count on one hand how many he has now.
Cannabidiol, or CDB for short, derives from cannabis. The approval would treat seizures caused by Dravet syndrome and Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, which McCormick says her son has. But with the drug set to be approved by the FDA, Preston is finally becoming a normal 10-year-old kid.
He verbalizes, he laughs, he smiles. If he's not happy, he whines, he cries, he yells out at me.
Come as soon as June. If that happens, Epidiolex would be the first ever FDA-approved medicine for Dravet syndrome patients.